Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism. Before I start, please check out my new latest course, Solidworks Beginner to Advanced. You are going to learn a lot of things. It's on Udemy. And if you are guys interested in learning motion analysis, check out my motion analysis course, link in description. So now let's start. So first thing that we are going to do is, let's go to the design library, click on toolbox, click on edit now. Now go to the ANSI metric because I'm going to choose dimension base of millimeters. Now go to the power transmissions gears and let's bring the spur gear. So I bring this spur gear. Wait for a second. So you can see it has 50 number of teeth. Great. And if you want, you can to make it up to 20. So I think this is looks good. Now I will move downwards and decrease the face width to 5. I think this much is fine and click OK. I need two gears, so I will click on here again and close this. So I got two gears. Now, how many number of teeth these gears has? 20. So what will be center distance? If you remember correctly that while making this gear has a module of how much? 1. So what is the formula to calculating the diameter? So diameter will be module is diameter by teeth. So diameter will be module times number of teeth. Module is 1, teeth is 20. So the diameter is 20. So this diameter is also 20. So center distance from here to here is how much? Now calculated. So I will make some parts. So click on here new part and I will select the right plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. Click on here, draw a center line, distance. By the way, for those who are not able to calculate or figure it out, it's 20. So the distance from here to here is 20. And let's give some other dimensions. It's like this. Let's give it a dimension of 3. And this one 5. This one also 5 mm. Press escape key. Drag it little bit. By pressing Ctrl select these 2 points. Click on make coincide. Select this line. Make it horizontal. Notice the sketch color become black. It means it is a fully defined. For those who don't know what is fully defined, underdefined, please check out my course on Udemy. Now click on here, extrude. How much? Let's say 2 mm is fine for me. Click OK and exit the add assembly component mode. And make sure that you have made this component uh, by, for example, let me show you. Let's say I select this page. Make sure when you make this component, you have to choose no external references, else this will not work. Not work basically means that this part will not going to move in your case. Just in case if somebody have done that mistake, you will see a folder called mate and delete all the mates there. Okay, so I'm deleting this because this is not a part. Now what I'm going to do is uh, now I will select the top plane of the assembly, draw a center line like this, escape, exit the sketch mode. The purpose of this line is a reference line, basically about which I want to rotate, etc. So this line can do. Click on here, click OK. Now an error pops up. Why? So the reason is that by default, whatever part you or the first part in the assembly is fixed. So to move it, you have to select the float. Now it can be moved. Now that error that we have seen earlier will not be seen. Let's see. And let's make it concentric. Click OK. Now I will select this one and I will select this face. Click OK. Move it backward. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Close this. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now what I want to do is rotate animation. Uh, a question comes to mind. Will there is a need to use any kind of gear mate? In my case, I'm not going to use gear mate. I'm going to use advanced Solidworks motion analysis. So click on here, Solidworks motion. Click on here, motion analysis. First thing that I need to do is I will go to the model, right click and make it fixed. So basically I'm saying, hey, that this gear is fixed, but this gear and movement, it is not fixed. That's a great thing. And one more thing, you can notice that this is going inside out. So I want to control its movement as well. So what I will do, I will select this face and select this face. Click OK. Close this. Select this. Press Ctrl plus 8. Uh, Rotate to align it correctly. I think this much is fine. Okay. I think this much is fine. Now what I will do, I will go to the motion study and I will select a motor. I will select this face. How much I want to rotate? Let's say I want to rotate 720 degrees. It start from 0 second and go up to 10 seconds. Click OK. Now I will move it to 10 seconds because as I told you earlier, it is a 10-second animation. Next thing that I want to do is I want to add contacts. Contact between what? I want to add contact between gears. So that these two gears, when meshes, it automatically, calculate that they are, contact and physics will apply accordingly. Next thing that I have to do is go here, motion studies, increase the FPS for better results. Let's say 60 FPS. It will take a lot of time, to do the simulation part, just to know. After that, I will click on calculate. Hey, it's done pretty nice, don't you think? Now what I will do, I will right click and I will click on change transparency so that we can see what is going on fully clearly. Now I will click on here play again. Okay, there is a thing. So basically keyframe is arranged because of that. Now the transparency will change with time. But yeah, it gives you idea how does it look like. One more thing, that camera is zooming out a lot. So I will go to the time 0, right click disable and zoom out, click on play. Now it looks much better. So what do you guys think? In that way we can create this animation. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask, and you can create multiple versions or add more complexity to it. It's up to you. So that's for all. For any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.